Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna tell you or show to you the tutorial how to make parallax in CapCut. So the software of course is CapCut. Well, most of you maybe know about CapCut, but you don't know about maybe you don't know about the function of the tools or anything in CapCut to make parallax.
Project Storm.
So now I wanna tell you
Project
how to
Storm.
make parallax in CapCut. So on this parallax, I just made an innocent that we zoom the innocent and the background was go left and go right and then the what's that the mountain was zoom out and then the hills going left and going right. Okay, let it take a long time. Let's made for the parallax. So first you need to open CapCut and add new project and name it parallax. Wait, parallax tutorial. Then I want to show you the tools. So first is menu. On the menu, you can go to the file. You can add new project or import the project, or maybe you wanna export the project. You may. Then edit. Over here there is. And the recovery, copy, cut, paste, and delete. Maybe we're gonna use it later. Then layout default. Yeah, default layout. Media first, player first, adjustment layer first, or timeline first. But you can find this on
Bad.
over here,
Bad.
and then
Bad.
and then more, more in the more you can find terms of surprise, privacy policy, third party copyright, environment testing and version, and then help. There there are three feedback, shortcut, and about. And then settings. On settings you can settings project, which is you wanna save to, and then material download, which management, then change size, and auto upload, and then edit. You can step forward frames, adjust value for unit, and then image duration, and then target loud,
Bro.
or maybe default. You may change it, and then frame rate 60 fps of course. Then time code you can change it, and then sound export, and then performance. There are input settings, and then interface render, proxy location, proxy size, and sound output. Okay, and then the language. You may use any language, but over here I'm use English. Easier. Save. There you go. Then back to home page or back to home page. Just click this. You may go to home page. Okay. And then over here there is media. On media you can find local. In local you can import videos, audios, or maybe photos. And then I generated spaces. Library. On library you can find this. It's a lot. Okay. Then burn assets. It only CapCut logo. And then that, and then let's go to the audio. On the audio, you can find music, sound effects, copyright, extracted audios, TikTok sounds or audios maybe, but you need to sign to your TikTok. And then brand music. Let's go to the next text. On text, you can add the text, presets word at basic, social media title, lower third,
Ubu.
flop caption notation, message 3D, except, and then you can use auto caption. Yeah, this the advantage of Kepa. You can do auto captions without using Pro or Paint. And then there's auto lyrics too. Yeah, it's useful for videographer. Then we'll call caption. You may upload the caption, support SRT, LRC, and HSS captions. And then there's stickers. I generated, and the other stickers and burn stickers. Then evex. On the evex, you can try all evex that is the pro. Then transitions. And here you can add the transitions to your video or your photos maybe. And there are a lot trending overlay camera blur like effect, basic split, glitch, distortion, slide mask, MG social media, and then filters. There are a lot. And then adjustment. You can custom adjustments, presets or looks, support cube or 3D, the 3DL. Then let's go back to the media. Now let's go to the local, and then over here there's the name, save ratio, resolution, frame rate, import material, proxy free layer, and you can modify project settings, color space, SDR. Maybe this. Okay, my device is not speed. And then the next over here you can export and then share. So you may edit this project with your friends. You just need to share the link or invite your friends to email. Maybe only that. Then let's go import. Let's take this. Open. So here are the material that we need. The background, only mountain, and then a hill with way like that. Just add this and this. Add the last thing. Then make it smaller. Okay, so what about parallax that we want to make? Like, so we want to make like this. So first you need to add the keyframe over here, and then over here you need to put the keyframe again, but change the scale. Of course. Scale change to be 45. Focus. I want to play. So it's like zooming. Okay. Then next, go to the nature one. Over here, at keyframe, and change the scale first because we wanna zoom out this one. 110. Okay. Then let's put it over here. So there's a blue. So this one corner over here. Going to this corner. There. Then make same with nature at the keyframe, and then scale 110. But We put it over here on the right corner. Now let's go back to the nature one and add a keyframe again, but we change the scale to be 100 and put it on the middle. Go to nature 2. Let's make the same
What
thing
the?
on this image. Change the scale to be 100 and put it in the middle.
NS and the
Done.
0
And
07 Ra.
this is special thing. Nature is 0. It's not blue, the mountain. Yeah. The scale change to be 110. Put it on the middle. And on the last, add keyframe again. And change the scale to be 100.
Yes, yes.
Then let's see. Oh yeah, don't forget to wait. Origin. Okay, let's see the result. So this is the result. That's what we called by parallax. It's kinda easy, but if you don't know how to make, yeah, you cannot make it. If you know how, or if you learn this, you can make it. Okay. Okay, so maybe that's all from me for the tutorial. Sorry if there is a wrong steps or wrong word or something. Sorry if I have mistakes. Okay, maybe wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.